Good morning to all my awesome friends and family. We have a Winter Wonderland coffee bar display today. Now, I don't drink coffee, but you're going to see a lot of things that say coffee on this display. I bought it a year or two ago, so it's nothing new. The only thing that's new on this display was this little snowman I bought at a secondhand store for, I think, about $3. And I thought it was super cute. Little snowman skiing away. He's got his little poles here for skiing and his little skis. And he looks like he's having a good old time, doesn't he? And his little scarf is blowing in the wind, and his little hat has a little bell at the top and it's ringing. Oh, I thought it was so cute. I couldn't wait to get it. And then it came with the little pine cones here at the bottom and flakes of snow. And it was just as cute as can be, and you know I had to get it. And here is the back of my little snowman. Isn't he cute? I thought this was such a cute little snowman skiing down the mountain. That was the only thing that I bought new this year that we haven't shared before. Now, I did get this little tree here, the little plaid one here, and the little reindeer. And they were all bought at the 99-cent store, so that would have been $1.25 each. And the tree I did buy for this season, but I don't remember what I paid, but they've all been showed before. So the only thing new that's an expense really is my little snowman here skiing down the mountain. And I have this beautiful bowl that Bobby bought 3-4 years ago. I don't know if you can see, it's got snowflakes all the way around it. It's so pretty. And I have all my nice little cookies that one of my coworkers gave me, and they're all individually wrapped. And oh my gosh, they are so good and yummy, and I love them. And the coffee cups that you see in this display, I've had these at least a year or two, a couple of years. They're not new. I bought them because I like the container they fit in. So my chocolate and my tea and my sweetener all can fit in here, and it's all nicely neat and organized. And so if I want to have a cup of tea, I can put it together quick and easy. When I get done with my cup, I can rinse it out and put it back in here. So I was very, very happy with this. And we have used it a lot. And I'll have it out probably for the next month or two. I'm going to do a Valentine's display in here pretty soon. But I thought it turned out pretty nice. And of course, all the accessories down here, all the different, the pine cones and the other little size, different kinds of pine cones and the seeds and all these little seed heads and stuff. I just picked them off the ground and saved them, and so that they were no cost for that. And here's some more that I've had from the past, and there's no cost for those either. And the flowers you see in the back, I've had them in here, I don't know, last month, maybe 2 months. So we've used them a lot because, you know, I like to use things over and over and reuse, repurpose, and share that you can make lots of posts with things you've already had. Everything that I'm sharing right now, I've had in post here quite a bit in the last month or two. So I just move them around and put them with some other things that are different. And it's amazing. It looks like a totally different display every time. And that way you don't keep spending a lot of money. Don't get me wrong, I do spend quite a bit of money, but I am going to try to cut way down, get a couple things each month for my home decor. And I'll probably buy a little each month for my garden. But most of my things in the garden are going to be repurposed, reused. And I'm going to be using a lot of cuttings from my succulents, and I'm not going to have to go buy too many, hopefully. Because that's the important thing. We have to get ourselves in some kind of a budget and not spend too much money. So let me know what you thought of my display that I put together for around $3. I thought it turned out pretty good. I shopped my house, moved things around, and this is what I came up with for my Winter Wonderland. Leave me a comment. Tell me what was your favorite thing that I have used new or repurposed. Doesn't have to be brand new. What do you think of the coffee cup holder and how it keeps everything neat and organized? I was very happy with that. So give me an idea of what you liked. And I'm going to do a little slideshow here to help you see what maybe was your favorite. Thank you all for stopping by. Thank you for your kindness, your support. I appreciate all of you that keep coming back and giving me love and support. Hugs and kisses to my awesome, awesome friends. You mean the world to me. You really do. I could not grow this channel without you. So what good is putting something up if no one's going to come and look? So you mean everything. If I don't have you, I don't have a channel. So you know I really, really love you all. And I appreciate all the love and care that you guys always give me. So supportive, and I really do appreciate it. Well, let's go look at the slideshow and maybe get some more ideas. What was your favorite you saw?